Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm gonna ask you something. Do you have any ripe bananas in your kitchen? I know you do. I always buy so many bananas and I never even eat one of them. So this is the perfect time to make these banana bread donuts. They have the most irresistible chocolate glaze and they're baked, not fried. I mean, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So you'll be surprised how quickly these come together. Start up by mashing up 2 bananas in a bowl, and if it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. I post new videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my unique recipes. Next, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten this up, and I'm going to be finishing up with the rest of my wet ingredients. 1 egg went in, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Of course, feel free to substitute this with melted butter or even some applesauce if you're feeling healthy. Once it's all mixed up, you'll need to add the remaining dry ingredients, 1 cup of flour, and a half a teaspoon of both baking soda and powder. Lastly, a little cinnamon went in because what is banana bread without it? You're going to mix it up very delicately just until everything's combined, and I'm going to put this into a Ziploc bag. Fill up your adorable little donut pan. Shout out to my mom who bought me this. I mean, gosh, is anybody else out there obsessed with eating donuts every single Sunday? I don't know, it must be the sprinkles. You're gonna bake these up super fast in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes. Now quickly for the glaze, dump some powdered sugar into a bowl with some water and corn syrup with a bit of cocoa powder. This glaze, you guys, is, if I dare to say, one of the best glaze recipes in the world. It's super shiny and creates the most appealing firm crust as it sets. It's absolutely stunning. Either pour your glaze over your donuts or dunk them on in there, and if you're using sprinkles, immediately add them because as I was saying, this glaze sets up rather quickly. And there you have it, guys. These donuts will surprise anybody that you bring them to. I mean, look at them. They're so soft and delicate. These homemade donuts are somewhat healthier than the traditional ones too. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and have 2, they're kind of small, maybe 3, with my morning coffee.